Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I have a brand new video for you today. A brand new 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in the brand new Coastal Dune color. This is a brand new color for 2026. I love the way it looks. It has the normal black leather interior with the brown accents. I love this. AT4s are very nice. It's one of my favorite trucks. This is for a customer named Justin. He's been a long time customer, probably 5, 6, 7 years now. He had a Tahoe like me, or a Yukon back in the day, lifted on 26x14s about the same time that I had my Tahoe on 26x14. So we've kept up with each other since, and today he bought this brand new truck and brought it into me, and we're putting a McGaughys lift kit on it, some 26x14 KG1 forged benders in the black and milled finish with some 37 1350 26 Fury MT tires. We are upgrading this McGaughys kit. He didn't cheap out. He's buying the upper control arms. He's getting the traction bars in the rear. This is going to be an amazing truck. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out right now and show you what this new color looks like. Stay tuned. So it is like 9 a.m. in the morning out here on a Thursday, and I know the lighting does not do justice for this color. The color is amazing. It's somewhere in between white, silver, and tan. I don't know, but it looks really, really good. Where the sun's beaming in on it, you can see where some of that tan color comes in. Right now, it just looks gray because of the lighting, but super excited to get this one done. Hopefully we'll have good lighting this afternoon whenever we get it, you know, to the final scenes, or maybe tomorrow when we get to the final clips and do the cinematic shots. I'm pretty excited about that. The wheel and tire package that we chose on this one's going to look amazing. You can't go wrong with a KG1. The bender is one of their best cuts. It's going to look awesome. He did go with the 3.0 Baby Duramax in this truck. I understand why. I know GM's having some issues here and there with the gas engine, so I'd probably buy the diesel one as well. Let me know what you think about the truck in the comments. We're about to get started on it, and I appreciate everybody watching. GMC Sierra 1500 2026 AT4 ready to go. This is that coastal dune color. It's a brand new color for 2026. Justin is a regular customer of mine. I said it earlier in the video. I'm so happy that it's somebody I know that gets to drive this truck home. This thing's amazing. He's up in the office right now waiting for me to get done. He was wanting to come back here and watch me film this, but I'm not gonna lie, I get nervous whenever somebody's like just chilling watching me film, because I still feel dorky. I mean, I'm 200 or 300 videos in and I still feel dorky. I don't think you ever get over that, but this truck's amazing. The natural excitement alone from this truck being so cool and me and him, you know, both liking it. This is it's definitely going to be a fun ride home for him and a fun weekend. It's Saturday. It's like 12 o'clock on Saturday. He's got all weekend with it. So I'm about to get out of this truck and show you what it turned out looking like. I love the KG1s. I love the Furies. The McGaughys lift is amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. All right, here is our beautiful 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in the coastal dune color. We have done a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. This is their SST kit, meaning that it's stainless steel accented with gloss black powder coat. This is set at the 9-inch setting. This is the angle of our axle at the 9 inches. It's great. The cross member on this truck looks beautiful. I love the McGaughys cross member. It's probably the prettiest one that we do from any of the brands, I'll be honest with you. Sorry Cognito, sorry BDS, sorry FTS. I think McGaughys has you beat. The lift kits are all good, but sometimes the looks, you know, end up being the only way you can make your decision of which brand you're going to go with. And personal opinion, I think this one looks really nice. It's nicely dressed up. The chrome accents look great. The logo looks awesome. We added the upper control arms from McGaughys to this kit as well. They come with this stainless steel upper piece on the control arm right out of the box. This piece is an add-on. This is the ball joint cap. If you ever call up here and get a price, I'm going to offer these to you because they look good on there. This is something you need. The control arm does have a correction for the angle of the ball joint when you set this kit at 9 inches, so that's why we did it. You can do it with the 7-inch setting of this lift kit for looks if you want to, but it's not needed. This kit comes with a nice strut from McGaughys. It uses your factory spring and everything from GM. There are setting rings right here where you can set it at the 7, 8, or 9 inches. I love this lift kit. Looks really, really nice. The other add-on that you can buy for this kit that's it's not necessary to function, but it does look good. It makes the kit look complete, is the traction bar in the rear. Now these do come raw from them. We have to get them powder coated. McGaughys does ours for us in-house, so these will come the same exact color as your front. They're very, very nice add-on, but they do only look good. They really don't do much for the functionality of the lift kit. So if you don't want them, you don't have to buy them. They just match really well with those front kicker braces up there. The wheel and tire that we went with on this is the 26x14 KG1 bender. This is a really, really nice premium cut from KG1. It's the black and milled gloss black with it's the powder coat. The milling is really nice on their wheels. If you look, you can see the machine marks on the milling. It's very, very sharp, very, very clean, perfect. Never an issue with their wheels. The tire that we paired it up with is the 37-13-50-26 Fury MT. This is a great, great tire for a 26-inch. You know, I'm a Nitto Toyo guy at the end of the day, but if you're going to have to buy something for a 26 that Nitto and Toyo do not offer, the closest second brand that I have found is Fury. They have this tire tread, which is the MT1, and then they have the MT2, which is a little bit different of a design. I like both. They ride really good for considering what they are. You know, no tire that is coming from overseas like Fury is always going to be perfect, but this is the best of the tires from the overseas that we can find. I love the way this one looks. Let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. We also sold him a set of Nitto Ridge Grapplers. If you see them in the bed of the truck right there, that he's going to be, or we actually have them on his stock wheels. It's like a secondary setup for him for the winter time or whatever, if he goes off-road, or I think he lives on a gravel road too, so he's not always going to keep the 26s on here, but I think he should. One more thing that I really wanted to address, it's not really about this truck, it's about the truck in the background. I know that you guys have seen it, and if you just watch my cinematic shots, I know that you saw the wheel hanging off the truck in the parking lot. Normally I don't say anything about trucks like that in the parking lot that have the wheels falling off and stuff like that, but I feel like I need to address it because several people have commented on this. This is where I have tow trucks to drop trucks off when they bring them into me. back here. This is the slab. This is where I do my videos or whatever. I call it the slab. They were going to build a building back here and they never did. And that's just where I just utilize this spot to do my videos. But this truck, we built this about 2, 3, 4 years ago. I don't remember how long it's been. I know the customer watches the channel, so if you're watching your truck on the channel, I'm sorry that I didn't say your name, but the upper ball joint is clearly pulled out of the control arm here. And then if you look up there, the control arm is actually broken in half. Now, I don't know what was hit, but nothing fell off this truck. Like the lift kit didn't fail or whatever you're thinking in the comments could have happened, it didn't. They hit something. You can see the bend on the wheel right there. So this is actually insurance is going to have to be making the final decision of what we do. I mean, obviously this one's repairable, but it's probably going to have, it's at least going to have this control arm for sure. I'm sure it'll have to have a brake line, maybe an ABS wire or something like that. The wheel's either going to have to be replaced or fixed. I've got 30 of these control arms on the shelf in there. I could replace it today and fix it, but insurance is going to have to pay for this one, so we got to wait for them. So if you're wondering why these are back here chilling in the back of the parking lot, we don't have wheels falling off trucks all the time, and we don't have any issues with the lift kits. But whenever people have problems with their trucks, they want us to fix it. Makes sense to me. So there's more damage that I didn't even know about on this truck. So yeah, this one will probably be coming back as a newer, nicer truck once they get it fixed. So I might put that on the channel for you to see. But I appreciate you guys watching this build. Thanks, Justin, for the business. I know you don't have to spend your money with me. I appreciate you choosing to. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments, and stay tuned. I'm going to put a quote after this build for the price of what this would cost for you. And I appreciate you watching. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire.